Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. In this video, I will be going over how to claim the Climate Action Incentive. The Climate Action Incentive payment is a tax-exempt payment designed to aid individuals and families in offsetting the costs associated with federal pollution pricing. This benefit is accessible to residents of participating provinces. It comprises a basic amount and an additional supplement specifically intended for individuals residing in small and rural communities. To see how the Climate Action Incentive is calculated in each participating province, please refer to the graphic on the right. Now let me show you how to claim this benefit in our TaxTron web platform. Under Deductions, we want to click on Other Tax Info and Canada Working Benefit. For where it says, "Did you reside outside a census metropolitan area as defined by Statistics Canada on December 31, 2022, select Yes or No. If you're uncertain about whether you live within a census metropolitan area, please click on the provided link in the description. The link will direct you to a list of cities that Statistics Canada has officially classified as census metropolitan areas. By selecting the city in which you reside, you can access a map to determine whether your location falls within these designated areas. Based on the information you have provided in your tax return, TaxTron Web will automatically calculate the Climate Action Incentive benefit for you. Now, when you navigate to the Optimization section and review the tax summary, at the bottom of the page, you will find the entry labeled Climate Action Incentive displaying the calculated benefit amount determined by TaxTron Web. You have now successfully claimed the Climate Action Incentive and can proceed to fill out the rest of your tax return as normal. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for even more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.